Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Root Insurance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install Root Insurance, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store for Android devices. In the search bar, type Root Insurance. Select the Root Insurance app from the search results. Tap the Install button to download the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, find the app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the Root Insurance app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the option to create a new account. Enter your personal information as prompted, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password for your account. Once all information is filled in, tap Next or Continue. You may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Root Insurance. Click the verification link in the email. Return to the app and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will need to provide details about your vehicle. Enter your car's make, model, and year in the designated fields. You may also need to input your car's VIN. After entering the necessary vehicle information, tap Continue. Next, provide information about your driving habits as requested. This may include details such as your average daily commute. Once you finish inputting this information, review everything for accuracy. Then, tap Submit to complete the initial setup. The app will process your information and present your insurance options. You may receive a personalized quote shortly after. If you're satisfied with the quote, follow the prompts to finalize your insurance policy. Review all terms and conditions before agreeing. Finally, make your first payment to activate your policy. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Root Insurance and set up your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.